Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
If your device boots into safe mode, start with a simple restart first. Press and hold the power button for about 10 seconds and choose Restart when available. If the device restarts to normal mode, the issue is likely temporary. If it remains in safe mode, use built-in menus to exit or follow platform-specific steps for Android or Windows. Always back up important data before making changes. Proceed next to targeted steps for Android and Windows with clear, repeatable actions. On most Android phones, press and hold the power button for about 10 seconds. Choose Restart or Reboot from the power menu and wait for a normal boot. If Restart is not available, power the phone off, wait 10 seconds, then power on normally. If the phone still boots to safe mode, uninstall any apps installed in the last 24 to 48 hours. Also inspect volume and power buttons for dirt or physical sticking that can force safe mode during boot. On Windows, press Windows key plus R, type msconfig, and press Enter to open system configuration. Select the Boot tab and uncheck the Safe Boot box if it is selected. Click OK and choose Restart to boot into normal Windows mode. If msconfig does not resolve the issue, open Settings, go to Recovery, and choose Restart Now under Advanced Startup for recovery options. As a fallback, perform a clean startup by disabling non-essential services and startup apps, then restart to verify normal operation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.